You don't need 15 cameras. You probably only need 3. One for memories, one for everyday life, and one for just plain fun. If you have these 3 categories covered, you'll be ready for almost anything without even having to carry a giant camera bag. Today I'm breaking down the only 3 cameras I think every photographer or content creator should own. Now these aren't the only cameras you can buy, they're simply the 3 categories I always find myself reaching for. I'll show you what I personally use, but you can substitute almost any camera that fits that same role. First up is the film point and shoot. For me, that's the Contax TVS. There's something about shooting film that digital still can't fully replicate. Instead of taking hundreds of photos, you're forced to slow down, compose your shot, and really enjoy the moment. The Contax TVS is a compact, beautiful camera. It has a really nice and sharp Zeiss lens that fits right into your jacket pocket, shorts pocket, jeans, really anything. It's perfect for trips, hanging out with friends, or documenting everyday life. But you don't need a Contax. It can be a Canon SureShot, an Olympus stylus, any Pentax, pretty much whatever film point and shoot camera that you can get your hands on. The real goal is having a camera that encourages you to create memories instead of chasing perfection. Next is your everyday digital camera. Mine is the Ricoh GR3X, and honestly, this camera lives in my pocket. The image quality is incredible, it's undeniably compact, and because it's always with me, I end up taking way more photos. Whether I'm walking around New York City, grabbing a coffee, traveling, or capturing behind the scenes content, this is usually the camera I'm carrying. People always say the best camera is the one you actually have with you. And for me, that's exactly what the Ricoh is. If you don't have the Ricoh GR3 or GR3X, that's completely fine. A Fuji X100, Canon G7X, or a Sony RX100 can serve the same purpose. I know those cameras I just mentioned are a little hype, so might be hard to get, but pretty much any camera that can actually fit in your pocket is the perfect one for this category. Next, we have the fun camera. This isn't about being the sharpest or having the best specs. It's about having a great time. And for me, that's the Kodak Charmera. Sometimes photography doesn't have to be so serious. It can be a tiny digital camera with built-in filters, an instant camera, or anything that makes your friends smile the second you pull it out. These are often cameras that create photos that people end up loving the most because nobody's really thinking about settings or technical perfection. Everyone is just in the moment and enjoying it. Photography should always feel exciting, and having one camera that's purely for fun helps keep that excitement alive. So if you're building your camera collection, I'd focus on these 3 categories. A film camera for the memories, a pocket digital camera you'll actually carry every day, and one camera for fun that reminds you why you fell in love with photography in the first place. Everything else is honestly just a bonus. If you could only keep 3 cameras, which ones are making the cut? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.